All right, today I'm talking about C721 Change Management, and I'm just going to quickly go through this, talk about some of my exact steps and tips to get done with this class pretty quickly and stress-free. It's not a hard class at all. It's not that long or repetitive. You're basically just writing a big paper. My final paper ended up being around 10 pages, but you could probably cut it down a lot smaller than that, including the cover and the reference page. Don't let that scare you though. Like I said, you can probably cut that down. And honestly, you probably can finish this in a single day. That's how long it took me to write that paper. And then you don't want to waste too much time digging through each piece of the course material. You want to go straight to those tips and resource section. There's a template there, plus videos that walk you through each question in the template. And that's honestly 90% of what you need to get through the course as far as material. And then an absolute lifesaver is a document in there, the C721 Change Management Tips. You want to use that, scroll all the way down in resources, you should be able to find it. It literally points you to the exact spot in the course material if you get stuck on anything, and that's going to help you find exactly what you need. I referenced it a couple times while doing mine. And then structuring your answers. This is the key to passing the framework. You want to go through, explain what the concept is, what it means, apply it to your company example, and kind of explain why it's important. And you just kind of do that over and over. It's going to feel a little bit redundant, but that's okay. That's how it always pretty much is every single course like this. You're going line by line in the rubric and doing exactly what it says, and you end up doing that over and over, pretty much the same exact process, which makes it simpler and easier to get through. And then a couple more tips to save some time. You want to make a company name. By making and naming your company, it's going to keep your similarity score down, because if you don't do that, you're just going to be repeating what a lot of other people are repeating in their paper. So if you make a company name that no one else has, that's going to make your similarity non-existent compared to other people's papers, because they're not going to be using that same word. And it's going to help you just flow through the assignment better. Don't stress about the APA format. Just make sure your paragraphs are indented, grammar's clean, cite the textbook if you have to. I really never cited anything in any course at WGU. Maybe once or twice, but you really don't have to cite stuff. The template already includes that citation for you, so you can kind of just steal it from that. And then lastly, I got this done in about 6 hours with breaks. If you really lock in, you might be able to finish it in 4. So that's pretty much it for C721 Change Management. Long paper, but simple if you follow the template. You want to use that tips document that I mentioned and stick to that 3-step framework. Knock it out in a weekend, move on, go exactly by the rubric, and then send in the paper. There's no point in sitting around not sending it in because you don't think it's good enough, because that's just going to prolong your course over more days, more weeks, more procrastination. Answer the best you can, send it in. That way they can kick it back if there's an issue or two, because they're going to tell you the exact things that are wrong with it. And all you got to do is correct it, send it right back to them. And that's easily going to save you days or weeks on this course right here. You got any questions, anything like that, need any help, let me know down in the description. Make sure to like and sub for more WG videos, and I'll see you in the next one.